Hi, I wanted to go over my QE strategy, signals, and the trading rules because I've been making videos of charts of all the ETFs and stocks we are trading, but I haven't given clear rules here yet. So first is disclaimer that I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this is for educational and informational purposes only, and investing involves risk including loss of principal and, of course, as you might already know, past performance of any stock, ETF, or any investment strategy does not guarantee future results. So you have to do your own due diligence. This is only for informational purposes. Okay, so we have 27 ETFs and stocks for this QE strategy, and as you see, different stocks are in different time frame and different 45 minute is approximately 1 hour, 195 minute is approximately half a day. Daily chart, obviously you understand. 12-hour charts, because Ethereum and Bitcoin, they trade in 24-hour cycles. So for Bitcoin is daily chart, but for Ethereum is 12-hour chart. Again, gold we have daily, and then we have half-day chart for these three stocks, and rest of the stocks are on daily chart. Daily chart means that the signal will come around 4:01 p.m. Eastern time. As soon as the market closes, you'll get the alerts for stocks. It'll be a buy alert or a sell alert. Okay, so let's go over the rules. There are no stop losses, and reason is if the trend turns, we'll get the opposite signal, and this trend could turn based on whatever the time frame we have. And the profit target is some rule of thumbs I use is 3% for ETFs and 5% for ETFs which are more volatile, and 5% for stocks for the first half of the position. But it is better to set the targets using ATR, which is average true range. Average true range you can easily find on any Yahoo Finance or any other TradingView platform. And why it is more important to use ATR is because in different markets, different volatility markets, for example, QQQ ETF can move, let's say, on average $3 in some markets, but $15 in some other markets, depending on whether we are in a bull market or highly volatile bear market. So that's why we need to use ATR for our profit targets for the first half position. Second half position, I wait for the sell signal. Again, there are no stop losses. Okay, and I take sell signals to close long positions and start a short position, but using an inverse ETFs. And sometimes if the market is strong, I might disable the short position. But for example, QQQ, if the long signal comes, I might buy QLD, which is 2x the leverage ETFs, or TQQQ, which is triple the leverage ETFs. But when the sell signal comes, I will close the long position and start a short position using buying QID or buying SQQQ. And sometimes for stock I might use options, but that's very discretionary. That's not automated yet. But usually, but right now the automation has been done only on the long positions for different stocks. And so for me, all my trades are automated based on these signals. What happens is that what I'm using is I'll write down here, TradingView alert comes in and it goes to capitalize.ai platform, and it is connected to my broker. So that's how it happened. TradingView alert comes in, it goes to my email list, and then it goes to multiple platforms that I'm publishing in. One is the most the best one to get it, join the Telegram channel, and you can get the alerts instantly within like 2 seconds. And then it also sends alert to capitalize.ai, which is a no-code tool, and it gets the alert and it sends the alert buy or sell signals to my broker. Also, capitalize.ai, one of the benefit is that it tracks how many winning trades I have, how many selling, how many losing trades I have, and what's the other statistics for that particular strategy. So end of the day signal comes after the market. So my algo trading system sends the order to the broker, but they are executed at market open. And some stocks and ETFs will have more frequent signals as compared to others, especially if they are on lower time frame. For example, IWM will have more frequent signal and than anything on the daily charts, for example natural gas, and SPY will have less frequent signals. Again, these three stocks will have more frequent signals, but sometimes even the daily chart signals could be frequent. I mean, like within like 2 days, 3 days, it can change the signal. And okay, I talked about this end of this day signals. So why algo trading? I use algo trading because then I don't have to get up, take a cold shower, do meditation. Nothing wrong with doing meditation and taking cold shower, but I don't have to get up early. I can get up whenever I like, and my system is trading the markets without any biases, without any listening to news. It's just it has already the rules programmed in, and what I look for is like the long-term performance of the system, not like 4 trades or 5 trades. And I have back tested it, but I have not optimized or overfitted my system based on the past results. And overfitting and back testing is really important. I will, if you look in my profile, I will add the link for books I have read and courses I have done, which might help you and to understand what is overfitting and what is over optimization, and how not to over optimize, and how to test the system in a totally new time frame. So one of the benefits is like I have more time to enjoy my life, and second is when we develop a bias based on like some strategy. Let's say you're looking at very simple moving average, and you say, oh, I want to buy S&P 500, and then after 3 days you have a sell signal, and then you have to have do a lot of emotional effort to say, okay, you were wrong, and now it's a sell signal, and I want to short S&P 500. So all this emotional effort is gone right now because of I've been algo trading using my system. So I'll be developing other strategies. I have only right now I think 2 or 3 strategies which are automated, but my plan is to develop around 10 strategies in different markets and different time frames. Some might be intraday, some might hold for weeks or months. So that's the plan. And let me know if you have any questions regarding the rules of this QE strategy, and if you want the signals, you can join the Telegram channel. I'm sending it to some of my friends on the email, but email is very, I think, manual. I have to add the email address and all that thing. So Telegram channel is like global, so just join my Telegram channel, and I think you have to maybe somehow get the notification as soon as it fires. But for these ETFs, all these ETFs which are less than daily, which is 195 minutes, 90 minutes, 49 minutes, you can get the signal anytime. It will be more frequent. Sometimes we have had days where DIA has gone long and short within the same day. But for all these daily time frame, it will always be around 4 p.m. Eastern time. Except Bitcoin because Bitcoin daily has different, so maybe it's around 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. but it's only once a day. Okay, yeah, thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.